To achieve flawlessly cooked eggs, immerse them in chilled water, raise the temperature until the water boils vigorously, then reduce the heat, activate the timer, persistently boil for a span of 3 minutes, extinguishing the heat afterward, and allow them to remain for 3 minutes. Overdoing the cooking process could result in the creation of iron oxide and ferrous sulfide, visible as a delicate green layer on the yolk. Arteriosclerosis involves factors like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, inactivity, genetics, and age. This damages arterial walls, promoting plaque formation. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing chronic diseases are key preventive measures. Oxidized fat and cholesterol in eggs can produce glycated proteins, posing a risk as metabolic functions decline with age. Adding a capful of high-volume white wine to scrambled eggs acts as an antioxidant. Inadequately cooked eggs risk bacterial infection. Japanese raw egg enthusiasts have an 80% higher salmonella infection rate. Hairy eggs in China, fertilized and contaminated, pose similar risks. Adding sugar to eggs causes the Maillard reaction, forming fructosylysine. Cooking eggs first, then adding sugar, prevents blood coagulation. The Maillard reaction, responsible for flavor, aroma, and browning, is best consumed in moderation. Healthy egg tips. Lecithin in eggs inhibits cholesterol absorption. Beat 2 eggs with 200 milliliters of milk for a healthier steamed milk egg dish. The inner membrane of eggshells, known as phoenix coat in TCM, heals mucosal ulcers. Soak eggs in white vinegar for 48 hours and peel. Salted duck egg yolk is rich in lecithin, carotene, and unsaturated fatty acids. For low-salt pickled duck eggs, soak in a mixture of 5 liters of water, 1 kilogram of salt, 40 g of white wine for 25 days. Then soak in clean water for 10 days to reduce saltiness in the egg whites.